Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Let's actually react to the latest Steam hardware survey. First of all, the thing is, if you scroll down, you can see a whole lot of information. The main information is as follows: how many people are rocking how many cores? Well, let's actually discuss. If we see and analyze this chart, we can see that in this color, 6 core CPUs are highlighted in this color, and 32% of people are rocking 6 core CPUs, followed by let's see 29% of people who are rocking 4 core CPUs. I am the one who is rocking 4 core CPUs because I purchased this gaming laptop in 2020 and I was not having a whole lot of knowledge back then that 4 cores are simply trash in 2023. Well, quickly let's move on to GeForce GTX 1650 status. Is it still one of the most used GPUs by Steam gamers? Yes, it is, but I do not think it will hold its crown for a long time because minus 0.12% of decrease is observed among the GTX 1650 gamers, and this is a nice thing. I think people are finally upgrading from GTX 1650. Secondly, GTX 1066 GB remains on top, I suppose, followed by RTX 3060 laptops, which are actually gaining quite popularity. RTX 3050, I mean RTX 3060 laptops are significantly gaining popularity, and the share was increased for around 0.31%, and this is certainly a huge share, guys. 0.31% of people actually purchased RTX 3050 and joined Steam, and this is a big news. And mostly the things are similar, and 1080p is the preferred gaming resolution, although I do not think 1080p plus GTX 1650 is a good combination anymore. Most of the AAA games are having very high system requirements, so GTX 1650 is probably not even enough for 1080p gaming these days. People might have to play either on 900p or 720p at the bare minimum. Let's actually scroll down, and widescreen monitor resolution is around 3840 into 1080, and everything is just quite similar as we compare to the previous month Steam hardware survey. Although, as always, Intel is having the majority of the PC processor share, although AMD is gaining ground as well because AMD is now having 33% of share, and this is a good thing as well. Most importantly, AMD CPUs are better in terms of price, specifically in terms of laptops as well. When I purchased my gaming laptop with an Intel processor, it was significantly weaker than its Ryzen competitor, which was Ryzen 5 4600H. If you just compare the same with Intel i5 10300H, you will see that Ryzen is much better. Thank you for watching, and let me know what are your PC specifications. Are you having the Team Red Ryzen or Team Blue Intel? Let me know. I will see you on my next one.